At the second game of New Jersey Tune-Up between Peep Show out of Allentown and Philly Twist out of Philadelphia. Looks like Twist is in light, set to pull. The pull. Next getting the disc here. Ooh, a little too far for Kimmy. Twist with the first break opportunity of the game. Ooh, Lex with the D. Back to Nick. Ooh, deep look. Oh, it's like Twist in a horizontal stack. Oh, gonna drop there. Gio with the disc. Congdon with the break. The wind's starting to pick up here. Asa with the disc. Back to Nick. Kimmy with the goal. Peep Show with the dirty hold. Up 1-0. Just the pull. It's like Peep Show in a poachy look. Twist in the red zone. Quick goal there. All tied up at ones. Just the pull. Nick picking up the disc. Looks like Peep Show with the side stack. ISO and Garrett. Oh, the deep look. It's gonna work. It's hanging a bit. Twist had position. Nice D by Twist. Ooh, it's floating a bit. Oh, Twist able to recover. The deep shot. Can Garrett get the D? Nice D by Garrett. Back to Frisco quickly, looking to move. Oh, a little miscommunication there between the handlers. Ooh. Twist in the red zone. Ooh, the quick little inside break. Twist with the first break of the game, I believe. Up 2-1. There's the pull. Nick fielding the disc. Centering to Congdon. Big gainer to Kimmy. Oh, miscue on the reset there. Twist with another prime break opportunity starting in the red zone. Looks like 99 picking up the disc for them. Oop, spinning around there. Oh, a little too low. Lex is going free there. Two lady players going deep. Ogden putting it. It's hanging a bit. There's a crowd gathering. Can Asa pull it in? Did. Quick throw to Lex. Peep Show with the dirty hold. All tied up at 2s. David set the pull. There's the pull. Looks like twist and a horizontal stack. Someone going deep. Micah picking the disc up. Ooh, the deep look to Foley immediately. Can he get under it? A little too far, tailing off. Ooh, nice throw to space. Oh, little miscue on the reset there. Foley picking it up, centering it quickly. Ooh. Kate with the goal there. Peep Show with the hold. I think that was a hold. They're up 3-2. Looks like Frisco set the pool. Ooh, nice run through D there. I think that was Michelle with the D. Quickly to Allison. Oh, not gonna work. A little short there. Miller on the mark. Oof. A little out of her reach. It's hanging. Grabbed by Garrett. Ooh, and a nice throw to Miller. Peep Show with another break. Up 4-2. All right, looks like Kimmy set the pool. There's the pool. Ooh, Gio with the D and the pointing. Looks like Matt picking up the disc. Swinging it off the line. Ooh, a little miscommunication between him and Nick. Deep immediately over everyone's head. Nick bringing the disc to the line. Taryn with the disc. Kimmy. Ooh. Gia's going deep. Can he get a read on it? Nice. In the red zone. Quick, easy throw to, is that Abby? Pinto. Pinto with the goal. Peep Show with another break. Up 5-2, I think. Got a bit of a cross breeze going from left to the right of the screen. Just a pull. Low pull. Yeah, looks like a zony look from Peep. Twist up to midfield. Swinging it around. Looks like transition to person. Twist in the red zone. Oh, a little miscommunication there. Not sure if they were ready for that. Kimmy picking up the disc. Or no, is that Emily? Emily with the disc. Around to Micah. Around to Emily. To Parker. Ooh, Kate going deep. Puts it. Oh, can it hold its edge? Oh, great grab by Kate. Oh. Let's see if they set it up again. Ooh. Brett couldn't quite get there. Ooh, threading the needle there. Oh. Oh. Oh, good second effort there.
Not sure if Kate got a piece of that or not.
Yeah. Oh, to Lubes. Maybe that's Lubes out there, not Micah. To Abby. Or is that Kate? Kate. To Emily. The deep look. Just outside the end zone. Brett able to recover. Peep Show with the break. Up 6-2. Peep Show D-line. We have Allison, Tim, Cruz, Michelle, Nick, Garrett, and Frisco. Pull. Nice pull. Ooh. See if they can get down there. Good coverage.
First throw.
Oh.
Looks like Renzi again.
Ooh, way to sneak it through. Nice throw. Oh. Oh, I thought Garrett had a beat on that.
Throws, but not really making any ground.
Let's see if Twist can figure out this zone. Oh, hammer to see if that could open it up. Tailing away there. Frisco picking up the disc. Oh, ooh, and it works out. Tim cleaning up the trash. Oh, throwing a little behind Allison there. Looks like 99 picking up the disc. Peep Show setting up their Z. They are going into a slight breeze. Nice grab. Oh, not sure if there was a point block there by Nick.
Short field turnover.
Peep Show in the red zone, right outside the goal line. Cool. That's reset to Frisco. To Cruz. Oh, where's the cut? To Tim. Peep Show with the break. Taking half. 7-2. pool. Twist receiving out of halftime, down 7-2. Wind's picking up there. Strong cross breeze going from the left to the right of the screen. Congdon on the mark. Looks like Peep Show's in person this time. Ooh. Looks like Nick picking up the disc. Still looking. Oh, the deep look. Is it going to stay in? Oh. Or couldn't quite tow it there. The wind might have pushed it out of bounds. Twist looking to get it off the line. Ooh. Another turn for Twist. Congdon picking up the disc. Starting to get pretty gusty out there. Ooh. Not sure if Twist got a hand on that. Number 9. Round. Nine. Ooh, nice inside break there. Not really getting much downfield movement there. Seven with the disc. Oh, there's a look. Is it going to work? Oh, just a little short there. Congdon walking the disc up to the line. Need a deep look by Luke. Congdon didn't throw it. Ooh. Nice cross field to get it off the line. Nick with the disc. Back to Congdon. Might be Karen with the disc. Back to Congdon, to Nick. Ooh, is that Asa? No, that was Miller with the drop. Nine. Oh. Keep showing the red zone. Kimmy. Oh, it's gonna sneak through. Oh. Oh, the wind's gonna carry that out. Hey, Maya.
I'm on next 2 weeks from now tryout.
Congdon to Nick. Not much movement downfield for Peep Show. Ooh. Congdon. Oh. Twist with a nice D. Oh. Looks like there's a foul possibly or an injury. Ooh, nice bid. Oh, oh. Miller get a hand in there. Nick tapping the disc in. To Michelle. To Miller. Ooh. Number 9 picking up the disc. For an option. Back to 9. Oh, would have been a pick call. Around to 9. Twist just cycling it between the handlers here. Ooh. Oh. Nope. Looks like Peep Show taking a much needed timeout. Congdon with the disc coming out of the timeout. To Luke. Ooh, nice grab by Nick. Ooh. Oh! Looks like the twist player got a hand in there. 9 bringing the disc to the line. Ooh, point block there. I think that was Kimmy with the point block. Nick with the disc to Congdon. Ooh, into a crowd. Twist with the D. Oh. Ooh. Peep Show with the break. The long point at a half. Up 8-2. Emily set the pull. Oh, nice pull. Ooh, almost. Looks like Peep Show and a Z. Oh. Turn. Oh, and the quick break with Parker jumping in. Peep Show up 9-2. Peep Show ready to pull. Looks like Garrett pulling. Pull. Looks like coming down in the zone again. Ooh, oh, moving in a little too quick there. Nick looking to pick up. No one moving for him. Good hands by Frisco. Shell with the disc, looking for someone. Back to Frisco. A little stagnant for Peep Show downfield. Oh. Ooh. Deep shot there. Can they get it? Ah, a little too much for them. Yeah. Frisco looking to move the disc quickly there. Oh. Ooh, nice grab. Garrett with the disc. Oh, the deep look. Not enough air under that one. Looks like Nick on the mark here. Ooh, gotta get it off the line. There is a breeze going from left to the right of the field. 40 with the disc. Stall count rising. Ooh. Moving it a little too quick. They had broken through the initial layer there. Anyone going for Nick? Garrett. Oh, a little out of Cruz's reach. Another long point here. Twist at midfield now. 40 with the disc. Ooh, is it gonna work? Can he stay in? I think he just towed it. Oh, oh, what a D by Garrett. See if Peep Show can convert. Oh, just a little out of their reach. Ooh, oh, not the right edge there. I like the idea by number 9. Hitting Garrett on the under. Oh. There we go. Twist with the long, dirty hold. Down 9 or 10 to 3. Just a pull. Looks like Nick will be picking up the disc at midfield. Oh, slipped there on the cut. Still able to get the disc there, Gio. Foley. To Emily. To Matt. In the red zone. And the throw there to Nick. Oh, a little too much mustard there. Like twisting a horizontal stack. Oh. Gio picking up. To Emily. One more to Matt. Back to Emily. Oh, not quite able to jump in there. Gio with it right at the goal line. Oh, Emily able to recover. Throw. Goal. I think that might have been Karen with the goal there. Peep Show up 10 to 3. Just a pull by Saval. Nice pull. Ooh. No one there. A little miscommunication on the throw. Saval picking up the disc. Ooh, over Miller's head. Around. Ooh. Oh. Oh. I thought they caught it. I thought they recovered. Micah picking up the disc. Oh. Oh. A little too far.
Settle down.
Yeah. Kate with the disc. Back to Micah. Oh, turfed it there. Ooh. Would have been a foul at the stack. A lot of poaching by the Peep Show defenders. Ooh. Twist with the dirty hold. Down 10-4.